Assalamualaikum students. Hope everybody is safe, sound and healthy. Okay, so we have started with our chapter. We have already begun and we have completed the topic of architecture of a computer. Okay, in our chapter number 1, that is your basics of information technology. Students, so architecture of computer we have already completed in our last lecture and we are about to begin which topic, students? Units of memory. Units of memory, that means how the memory is measured. Like everything has some value to get measured, like liquid have liters, then solid has kgs, okay, grams, kilograms, okay, milliliter, liter. Then to just to have find the length of something, we have meters, okay, kilometers and so on. So the same way, what your students, your memory is also having some measurement. Okay, so computer storage and memory. Computer storage and memory is often measured in megabytes and gigabytes. Megabytes, that is MBs, and gigabytes, that is GBs. You all are saying that कितना GB है, कितना MB है, तुम्हारे फोन का memory and RAM is how many GB, how much your internal and external memory, like this. Okay, so GB and MB. Most of people, they actually don't know what is MB and GB or KB, but we all are used to these terms nowadays. Okay, even the small kids, they are asking how many GBs is there. Okay, actually they don't know the actual unit. Okay, but along with the wave, everybody is flowing. Okay, so this is the same way that everybody is used to have this terms, okay, technological terms, but most of them, they are not aware what actually these terms are. Okay, so today we are going to learn this units of memory, the new term. Okay, the very small unit. Okay, we can say the smallest unit of a computer memory is bit. You might have heard this bit. Yes, students? Bit. It is a binary digit. It is a binary digit that holds only two values. That holds only two values, students. That's why it is called as what? Binary. Okay. Which are two values? Either 0 or 1. Okay. Bit. Bit has only these two values. Binary digit value. Binary means 2, students. That's why it is called as the binary. Okay. So bit, this is the smallest unit we can see. Okay. This is the smallest unit to measure a computer memory. Okay. Then next we have nibble. Nibble. Okay. Nibble. After bit comes the nibble. A group of 4 bits. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble. For example, you can say 1001, 1101, okay, 01001 or 0001, like this. Okay, so these are the group of 4 bits and they are called as the nibble. They are bigger than the bit, okay, because bit is having only 2 values, 2 binary digit values, 0 or 1, whereas nibble has group of 4 bits. Okay, 1001, 1101, like this and so on. Sorry, I have here entered one more, so this is not there. This is not there, students. This is not there. Okay. Like this. Okay. Or we can say 1111. Okay. In this way, we have what? The values of nibble, which are in group of 4. Then next we have, students, byte. Okay, byte. Byte. Okay. Kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and so on. Okay, students. So here the byte. Byte is what? A group of 8 bits. A group of 8 bits, okay, are called as a byte. Okay, students, a byte is the smallest unit which can represent a data item or a character. Okay, to represent the data or the character, students. Okay, byte is the smallest unit, whereas bit is the smallest unit, okay, to measure the memory unit, because it has only 2 values, 0 and 1. Okay, but byte is what, students? This is the smallest unit, okay, to represent the data item or a character, any character. Okay, students. So a group of 8 bit is called as a byte. Okay, a byte is the smallest unit. A byte is the smallest unit which represent a data item or a character. Because we start with bytes only. How many bytes is there? Okay, how many kilobytes is there? How many megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, and so on. Okay. So for example, here we'll just see the example. For example, a group of 8 bits. Okay, students, like 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, like this. Again 8. Okay, in this way students, you can have the byte. Okay, byte is what, students? They are the group of 8 bits. Okay, so to represent a data item or a character. Okay, so here these are the smallest units of a computer memory: bit, nibble, byte. Now we'll move on further with the more storage unit of computer memory. Okay, now we'll just see the different units of memory. different units of a memory. Different units of a memory. We'll see this to this. Now, data measurement and size. And size. Okay. So, number one is your bit. Okay, and the size is what, students? Single binary digit. Either 0 or 1, or 1 or 0. It is 1 or 0, any one. Okay. Then we have what? 1 byte, 8 bits. Second one is your 1 byte. That is your 8 bits. Yes, students, 1 byte, 8 bits. Then we have number 3, 1 kilobyte. That is KB. Yes, 1 KB is 1024 bytes. Then we have the fourth one, 1 gig, your 1 megabyte. That is MB. So 1024 kilobytes, KB. Okay, that is the kilobytes. I'll just write full so you can understand. Kilobytes. Then fifth you have 1 gigabyte. That is GB. And the size is what? 1024. Yes? Say? Very good. Megabytes. Okay. Then 1 terabyte. That is the TB. And the size is what? 1024. Yes? Gigabytes. Good. Then next you have 1 petabyte. That is PB. And the size is what? 1024 terabytes. Then we have 1 exabyte or exobyte, we can say. That is EB. And the size is what, students? 1024. Yes? Say? Yes? petabytes. Very good. Okay, so these are the few units of your computer memory. Okay, students. So, and there are so many more units are there, okay, of your computer memory, students. So we'll just see the other more storage of the memory. Just first we just have a look on this. Different units of a memory, data measurement and size. Bit is the smallest unit which has only one digit. Okay, single binary digit, either 0 or 1. It holds only one value. Okay, students, of the binary digit. Then 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte is what? It is a group of 8 bits. Okay, we have the nibble also. Okay, then 1 kilobyte. Okay, which is what? 1024 bytes. Then 1 megabyte, 1024 kilobytes. Okay, means you have to just remember this, that all the bytes, they are having the 1024, okay, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, and so on. Okay, so you have to remember this. Like we have 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. Yes, 2 kilogram, 2000 grams. Okay, like this, students. So you have to remember this. We'll just see the memory size, students. Units of a memory. Just if it is there. Okay. Just see this one. Till here, till exabyte is given in your book. Okay, students. Then after that, students, you have zettabyte. Okay, then yottabyte, brontobyte, then geobyte. Now here it's given that geobyte is the highest memory. Okay, we don't know, in future maybe there will be more higher and highest memory unit will be available. Okay, so you just imagine the memory size now which is available, okay, for your computer system. This is too much. Yes, we are only here till MBs and GBs, but just see the units of a computer memory. Okay, the measurement of the computer memory is, you are having so large memory of your computer. Okay, gigabyte, terabyte, petabytes, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte, brontobyte. Okay, there are so many students. Okay, so you can, with the help of this, you can understand that computer can store such a large amount of data. Okay, we are still here. Yes, we are still, here. Yes, still we are just going towards, okay, here. So students, just imagine the capacity, okay, a computer system can hold to store data. Getting, students? So this is the size of the computer system, memory size. Okay. Now again, once more, students, I'm reminding you, okay, to log into olelearn.com account, okay, the website, and please try to log in there. If you don't know the password, click on forgot password, okay, and the helpline number is also given there. Okay, so just contact them, and please try to log in through your registered mobile mobile contact number. Okay, students. So here, what, students? Bytes are the group of 8 bits. Okay, and bit is what, students? Okay, this is the bit is the basic building blocks, okay, of the not only the data storage but all computers. Okay, so computer works in binary digits. Okay, students. So now here, what we'll see, how this binary digit works. Okay, in our next lecture, inshallah. Okay, we'll continue with the same units of memory, the same topic. Okay, the another part, how it works, how it gets converted into binary number. Okay, we have to learn that also, students, how these digits are getting stored in the computer memory. Okay, so until then, just stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed.